Create this viral curve text trick in Canva in just a minute. First, go to the Videos tab and insert any video you like. Set it as your background. Next, find Apps tab and search for the app Typecraft. Once it opens, type in your text. For this example, I will type in, "This curved text trick makes your reels pop." Make sure to type your text per line for a better curve effect later. Then, change your font to Instrument Serif. Next, adjust the letter spacing to -0.03 and line spacing to -0.11. Then go to the font color and change it to bright yellow. You can copy the color code for accuracy. After that, scroll down and select the first warp option, then choose Solid Fill Outline. Once you're satisfied, click Add to Design. Then position it at the center of your reel video. And that's it! Now create yours. Don't forget to share and follow for more.